Hey yo, what's good, you beautiful failures? Welcome back to Riches Revealed, the only channel that's trying to drag your dusty, broke, Wi Fi stealing, 42-cent having self out the financial grave you've been living in. Hit that subscribe button before it disappears like your rent money. And let's talk about how your crusty little life can go from ramen and regrets to racks on racks using the Whop app, aka the digital hustle plug you never knew you needed. Yeah, I said it. We talking $20,000 a month, not Monopoly money, not V-Bucks, real cash, fool. Now, I know some of y'all sitting there thinking, but bro, I got no skills, no time, and my bank app literally laughs when I open it. Shut your goofy self up and listen. You don't need to be Einstein or some crypto wizard, just a Wi-Fi signal, basic survival instincts, and the willingness to copy, paste, finesse, and not be dumb. WAP is like this dark alley, but for digital products. People out here slinging everything from ebooks to bots to private discords to get rich quicker than your daddy left strategies. And guess what? You can get in on that hustle without even leaving your crusty mattress on the floor. That's right, you unemployed bundle of potential. You too can be annoying on the internet and still get paid. Step one, sell digital crap. I don't care if you dropped out of high school and the only thing you ever finished was a blunt. You got something to sell. Know how to flip sneakers? Turn that into an exclusive resale playbook. Got scammed on crypto 5 times? Boom. Avoiding rug pulls, the ultimate guide. Hell, if you once sold candy in school and didn't get jumped, you already got more business sense than half of TikTok. Write it up or don't. Have ChatGPT do it while you binge Netflix and rot. Then slap that trash, I mean that premium knowledge product, on Watt for like 29.99 or more. Add words like secret, blueprint, and nobody talks about this, and boom, now you sound like you really do this. People gonna eat that up like you eating McChickens on payday. And yo, if you're too lazy to even do that, guess what? You can run a paid group. Yeah, just make a Discord server and talk nonsense all day like you already do, but this time charge fools for access. Tell them you got the crypto gems, the sports picks, the AI money printer secrets. Nobody's going to fact check you. You just need confidence in Canva. Charge them 20 a month. And if 500 people fall for it, guess what? That's 10,000 a month just for waking up and typing random hype like "we cooking today, boys" in a group chat. If that ain't peak internet hustling, I don't know what is. Now, for my extra lazy homies, the ones who've been unemployed so long your resume expired, you can still make money. All you got to do is copy other people's WAP listings, become an affiliate, and spam those links harder than your situationship texts you after midnight. They buy, you get paid. No skills, no brains, no soul needed. Just hustle. Post that link everywhere. Twitter, Reddit, in your Tinder bio, in your mom's group chat, I don't care. Just get the clicks. Oh, and if you really want to go full digital menace mode, buy a $15 course on WAP, switch it up a little, reword the title, maybe add a ninja emoji or something, then relist that same exact thing for 49.99 and call it never before seen elite sauce. Bro, that's not reselling, that's called capitalism. And you just became Jeff Bezos with a cracked iPhone. People have been making more money from WAP than your whole friend group makes, combined working at Target and crying in the break room. Some of these kids, 18 years old, selling Discord access to AI tools they don't even use. Like, bro, one dude literally charged 40 a month to teach people how to make money with bots, then turned around and used those people's monthly fees to make his money. Iconic, criminally genius. And let's not forget, you can resell access to other people's communities. You don't even got to run it. You just flip it like a bootleg DVD in 2005. Take someone's NFT group or stock chat. Tell people it's invite only. Throw some velvet marketing words on it like Private Alpha Insider Vault and charge fools 100 a pop. Done. You think you too dumb for this? Nah, bro, trust me. Some of the dudes making money on WAP got the IQ of a soggy paper towel. You just need boldness, fake confidence, and the ability to not give up after your first 3 sales flop harder than your SoundCloud career. All right, I ain't even halfway done, and you're broke behind already looking motivated. I see it in your eyes. You think this your come up moment. Don't mess it up. Go make a WAP account. Throw up that digital trash like a crypto influencer in 2021 and start getting them sales. You want to be rich or you want to keep overdrafting off Uber Eats? And yo, before we keep going, smash that subscribe button to Riches Revealed right now. Like, don't play yourself. You already watching this video on stolen Wi-Fi with a phone screen looking like it fought a cheese grater. Subscribing is the least you could do, you dusty legend. Now, let me put y'all on some more sauce since I know half of you trying to eat tonight and the other half trying to fake flex on IG with a $0 bank account. Don't worry, I got you, broke soldier. So here's another filthy little hustle on WAP that's making people fat stacks while you still recycling excuses. Automation bots and scripts. Yeah. All these nerds out here building new Chrome extensions, sneaker bots, AI DMs, spammers, and what do? Sell them on WAP for like 50 a month to clueless people like you who think they just bought Tony Stark tech. But here's the play. You don't even got to know how to code. Just hit up some Fiverr dude from the internet Wild West, pay him 30 bucks to make a janky bot that auto refreshes a website or scrapes TikTok bios, call it the Quantum Hustle Tool version 3, and boom, listed on WAP for $79.99 with a description that sounds like it was written by Elon Musk on Red Bull. Sell 100 of those? That's a cool 8 grand just for outsourcing to a guy who works for 4 Red Bulls and a thank you. And yo, charge a monthly subscription, not a one-time fee. That's how you trap them. Monthly money is better than one-time bag. That's called sauce management, broke boy. Now I know what some of y'all thinking. But bro, I got no audience, no clout, no TikTok followers. Well, no asterisk asterisk, Sherlock. That's why you're going to use your time like a digital cockroach and spam links in every corner of the internet. Go on Reddit forums, sneaker groups, crypto discords, Facebook moms groups if you got to. Drop your WAP link like it's mixtape season. And you ain't got to make content, you just got to steal it. Repost memes. Use AI to clone viral TikToks and slap your affiliate link in the caption. Put up a face cam of you reacted to crazy AI tools with your mouth open like you've seen God. People love that fake enthusiasm. They'll eat it up and you'll be sitting there like, bro, this AI tool literally prints money, link in bio, while that tool is just a Google sheet with vibes. Now let's get grimy. You ever seen those dudes on WAP selling resell leads like buy this to know what to flip this week? That's just eBay and Craigslist listings repackaged into a 30 a month membership. Bro, you can literally copy the same items and list your own weekly profitable flips guide and make 2 grand a month from screenshots. Screenshot resell listings. Make it into a PDF, add a watermark so people think it's premium. Boom. Resell Gold 2025 edition. You just became a digital scam wizard without scamming. That's finesse, baby. And let me roast you real quick. Some of y'all broke, not because you don't know how to make money, but because y'all allergic to effort. You'll watch 3 hours of Netflix, but won't spend 15 minutes slapping up a WAP listing that could change your life. But you quick to post, 2025 is my year. Like your motivation don't expire after lunch. You a clown, respectfully. Anyway, back to the money. You want to really go sicko mode? Bundle other people's WAP products. Yeah. Buy 3 little ebooks for 20 bucks each, throw them together, rename it Ultimate Wealth Bundle Volume 7, and charge $89.99. It's giving digital Robin Hood. Except instead of stealing from the rich, you stealing from mid-level hustlers and upselling to the ultra broke. And then once you got a little traction, start building out your profile, get reviews. Ask your homies to write fake ones if you got no customers yet. Yo, this changed my life, bro. I made 4 grand in a week type lies. Trust, the fake until you make it hustle is the WAP starter pack. If you ain't finessing a little, you're not even in the game. Oh, and another reminder, subscribe to Riches Revealed, you freeloading, hope-having, broke-breathed visionary. I'm giving you free game that people charge $497 for in their alpha vaults and you still ain't subbed? Fix that. Now, real talk, if you got at least 2 working brain cells, you could be making 5 figures a month off this WAP hustle in like 60 days or less. You just need a tiny bit of creativity, zero shame, unlimited Wi-Fi access, a willingness to click buttons and not cry after 3 views. Ain't nobody say it's glamorous. But bro, would you rather be broke and cool or getting paid and weird as hell? Because I'll take that bag and be a full-blown digital menace before I ever go back to eating Dollar Tree ravioli. All right, we halfway through the master plan, and I already see you foaming at the mouth like, damn, maybe I can do this FR. Yeah, you can, dummy. The WAP bag is out there. You just got to stop scrolling, stop sobbing, and start selling. Whether it's a bootleg bot, a chat GPT made ebook, or a community full of confused buyers, just throw something up, market it, and watch the magic of internet stupidity work in your favor.